Welcome back SM online class. In the last class we are discussed example, that is example 3 and 4, and in this class we are going to discuss example 5 and 6. Okay, so here example 5, if L1 M1 N1 L2 M2 N2 L3 M3 N3 be the direction cosine, be the DCS, that is direction cosine of three mutually perpendicular lines. Three mutually perpendicular then prove that the straight line L with DCS L1 plus L2 plus L3 by root 3 M1 plus M2 plus M3 by root 3 and N1 plus N2 plus N3 by root 3 makes equal angle with each of them. Makes equal angle with each of them. Okay, now this question is said that if L1 M1 N1 and L2 M2 N2 and L3 M3 N3 with a DCS of three mutually perpendicular lines. Okay, there are three mutually perpendicular lines. Mutually perpendicular lines means what? They are perpendicular to each other. Okay, the DCS of first line is, that is L1 M1 N1, and DCS of second line, that is L2 M2 N2, and DCS of third line, that is L3 M3 and N3. And there are another straight line which is L, okay, having DCS what? L1 plus L2 plus L3 by root 3, M1 plus M2 plus M3 by root 3, and N1 plus N2 plus N3 by root 3. Okay, and we have to prove that is it makes equal angle with each of them. That means what? That means the line L makes an equal line with first, okay, and this line L makes an equal line with line 2. Okay, so here the line L makes an equal angle to first line, second line and third line. Okay, if line L makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma with first, second and third line respectively, then we have to prove that alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. Okay, so here first what is given, that is these three lines are perpendicular. Means what? The first, this is solution. The three lines having DCS L1 M1 N1 L2 M2 are mutually perpendicular lines. It is given that mutually perpendicular lines. Okay, so if they are mutually perpendicular lines, then by condition of perpendicularity we have L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus, that is N1 N2 equal to 0. This is the first line perpendicular with second line. If second line is perpendicular to third line, that is L2 L3 plus M2 M3 plus N2 N3 equal to 0. This is second line. Okay, and first line is perpendicular to third line, that is L1 L3 plus M1 M3 plus N1 N3 equal to 0. Okay, so and again we know that L1 square plus M1 square plus N1 square equal to 1, L2 square plus M2 square plus N2 square equal to 1, and L3 square plus M3 square plus N3 square equal to 1. So here, if next point, if L max angle alpha, beta and gamma with if L max angle alpha beta, if L max alpha beta gamma with 3 lines. Okay, we have to prove alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. Okay, so here line L having BCS, what this is L1 plus L2 plus L3 by root 3. Okay, and M1 plus M2 plus M3 by root 3, and N1 plus N2 plus N3 by root 3. Max angle alpha with DCS, what this is L1, M1 and N1. Okay, so the value of cos alpha. The value of cos alpha, that is L1 into, this is L1 plus L2 plus L3 by root 3 plus M1 into, this is M1 plus M2 plus M3 by root 3 plus N1 into N1 plus N2 plus N3 by root 3. Okay, after solving this, it is L1 square plus L1 L2 plus L1 L3. Okay, this is M1 square plus M1 M2 plus M1 M3, and this is N1 square plus N1 N2 plus N1 N3, and this is whole divided by root 3. Okay, so here it is L1 square plus M1 square plus N1 square. Okay, and this is what? This is L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 M2. L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 plus this is L1 L3 plus M1 M3 plus N1 M3. This is L1 L3 plus M1 M3 plus N1 N3 all divided by root 3. Okay, and we know that L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 equal to 0. Okay, and L1 L3 plus M1 M3 plus N1 N3 is also 0, and this L1 square plus M1 square plus N1 square is equal to 1 because this is the DCS. Okay, and we know that if element are the DCS of the three lines, then L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. Okay, so here 1 upon root 3. So the value of cos alpha equal to what? This is 1 upon root 3. If line L makes angle beta with the DCS having L2, M2 and N2, then cos beta is also okay. Similarly, I write here cos beta equal to 1 upon root 3, and again cos gamma is also 1 by root 3. So here from this equation we get alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. Okay. Now move to next example. Now, example 6. The direction cosine, the DCS of a straight line into neighboring positions are this is L1 element and this is L plus del L. M plus del M and N plus del M. If del theta is the small angle between them, then proof del theta square equal to del M square plus del M square plus del M square. Okay, this is the question. There are two lines, okay, which is close to each other, and the DCS of first line, that is LMN, okay, and the DCS of second line, that is L plus del L plus this is M plus del M and N plus del N. And if del theta is the angle between them, then we have to prove that del theta square equal to del L square plus del M square plus del N square. Okay, so here, because these are the DCS of the two lines, so we have L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. And again, this is also the DCS of the second line, so this is L plus del L whole square plus M plus del M whole square plus N plus del N whole square equal to 1. Okay, and if we solve this, this is L square plus del L square plus 2L del L. Okay, and this is plus M square plus del M square plus 2M del M, and this is N square plus del N square plus 2N del N equal to 1. Okay, and we know that L square plus M square plus N square, right here this is L square plus M square plus N square. Okay, and this is 2h taking common, this is L del L plus this is M del M plus this is N del N. Okay, and bracket close, and plus this is del L square plus del M square plus del N square equal to 1. Okay, so we know that L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. So here this is L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. So right here this is 1 and plus 2 into L del L plus M del M plus N del N, okay, plus del L square plus del M square plus del N square equal to 1. Okay, this is the equation 1 plus 2 L del L plus M del M plus N del N plus L del L square plus del M square plus del N square equal to 1. Okay, so here del theta is the angle between this line having DCS and this line having DCS, this one. Okay, so if so this is cos del theta. Cos del theta equal to what? This is L into L plus del L plus M into M plus del L. Okay, and plus N into N plus del L. And this is equal to, we know that this is L square plus this is L del L plus this is M square plus this is M del M, okay, and this is N square plus this is N del M. Okay, so here cos del theta equal to what? This is L square plus M square plus N square, okay, and this is plus this is L del L plus M del M plus N del N. Okay, and you know that L square plus M square plus M square equal to what? This is 1 plus L del L plus M del M plus N del N. Okay, and here we get finally this is L del L plus M del M plus N del N equal to cos del theta minus 1. Okay, this is L del L plus M del M plus N del M equal to what? This is cos del theta minus 1. Okay, and if we put the value of this one, okay, that is L del L plus M del M plus N del N, that is cos del theta minus 1. Okay, here 1 is cancelled first. Okay, so the equation is reduced to this equation. Okay, if it is equation first, this is equation first, so equation 1 becomes 1 cancel here. This is 2 into this is cos del theta minus 1. Okay, cos del theta minus 1 plus this is del L square plus del M square plus del N square. 1 to here cancel. Okay, this 1 and 1 h cancel, so it should be 0. And we know that this is cos del theta minus 1. Okay, cos del theta minus 1, we know that this is what? We know that 1 minus cos del theta equal to this is 2 sin square del theta upon 2. It is the formula. Okay, 1 minus, we know that 1 minus cos theta equal to what? This is 2 sin square theta by 2. So here, this is 2 sin square del theta by 2. So here, we write that this is cos del theta minus 1. So this is 2 into minus 2 sin square del theta by 2. Okay, and this is plus del L square plus del M square plus del N square equal to 0. Okay, then this is minus 4 sin square del theta by 2. If we take this is right side, so this is del L square plus del M square plus del N square equal to this is 4 sin square del theta by 2. Okay, and I write here this is 4 sin square del theta by 2 equal to what? This is 2 this is 4 into sin del theta by 2 whole square. Okay, and here this is important point. This is del theta is a small angle. Okay, so if del theta is a small angle, then sin del theta by 2 is negligible. Okay, so we take here, we replace here sin del theta by 2 by only del theta by 2. Okay, because del theta by 2 is because del theta is very small angle, so this sin del theta by 2 is reduced to what? Del theta by 2. Okay, so this is del L square plus del M square plus del N square equal to this is 4 into del theta by 2 whole square. Because of del theta is small, okay, and this is sine del theta by 2, which tends to what? Del theta by 2. Okay, so here this is 2 to the 4 and 4 cancel. This is del theta square, and we have to prove that del theta square equal to what? This is del m square plus del m square plus del m square. This is the proof. Okay, so in this class we discuss example 5 and example 6. Okay, in the next class we discuss in details of exercise 13a. Okay, so till that, take care and thanks to all of you.